For years, your smartphone was just a messenger, an interface to smarter computers far away. When you asked your digital assistant a question, your phone simply recorded your voice and sent it to the cloud. The real intelligence, the processing, understanding, and answering happened on distant servers. Your device was a conduit, not the source of intelligence. This centralized model let companies update AI for everyone at once, but it made your phone dependent on a constant internet connection. Whether you were dictating a message or asking for directions, your device needed to be online for anything smart to happen. All the heavy lifting was outsourced, and your phone's intelligence was borrowed, not owned. Early smartphones simply weren't powerful enough to run advanced AI themselves, so this cloud-based workaround made sense. But as we relied more on these features, the cracks in this system started to show. The convenience was real, but so were the compromises, and those compromises were about to become impossible to ignore. Sending everything to the cloud brought three big problems: lag, privacy risks, and total dependence on connectivity. First, latency. Even with fast internet, there's always a delay as your data travels to the server and back. That pause is minor for simple tasks, but for real-time features, like live translation, it's a deal breaker. Second, privacy. Every voice command or photo sent to the cloud is data you're trusting someone else to protect. Data breaches happen, and your personal info is stored on servers you don't control. Third, reliability. Lose your connection on a plane, subway, or remote hike, and your smart assistant becomes useless. The intelligence vanishes the moment you go offline. These trade-offs, lag, privacy concerns, and unreliable access, were the price for cloud-powered AI. But as our expectations grew, those compromises became unacceptable. We wanted instant, private, always available intelligence. The old model couldn't deliver. It was time for a new approach. The solution: bring AI directly onto your device, what's called on-device or edge AI. Instead of relying on distant servers, your phone, laptop, or watch now does the thinking itself. This shift was made possible by years of advances in processor technology, especially neural processing units or NPUs. NPUs are custom-built to run AI models efficiently, performing trillions of operations per second with minimal battery drain. Now, your phone can handle tasks that once required entire data centers. Your voice, photos, and requests are processed locally. No need to send them away. The intelligence is right in your hand, always available, even offline. Tech giants are now racing to build the most powerful on-device AI, shifting value from cloud services to integrated hardware and software. Your phone is no longer just a messenger, it's the brain. This puts you and your data back at the center. The result? Faster, more private, and more reliable personal technology. The future of smart devices is local. On-device AI brings three huge benefits: speed, privacy, and offline power. First, speed. With processing done locally, responses are nearly instant. No more waiting for the cloud. It feels like a real conversation, not a remote query. Second, privacy. Your data, voice commands, photos, documents, stays on your device by default. No more worrying about your private info being stored or misused in the cloud. Third, offline functionality. Your assistant works anywhere, on a plane, subway, or in the wilderness. The intelligence is always there, regardless of your connection. These benefits transform your assistant from a sometimes useful novelty into a truly dependable companion. It's not just a little better. It's a fundamental change in how you interact with technology. Your device becomes faster, more secure, and always ready to help. The relationship with your tech becomes immediate and trustworthy. That's the real power of on-device AI. It's a smarter, more personal experience. So, what does on-device AI look like in real life? It's in the everyday features you use. real-time transcription, speak, and your words appear instantly, even offline. Summarization, ask your device to condense a long article or email, and it does it locally, keeping your data private. Instant translation. Point your camera at a menu, or have a conversation in another language. Your phone translates on the spot, no internet needed. Smart photo features. Your gallery can find dogs at the beach, or pick the best shot from a burst, all without uploading your images. Predictive keyboards and intelligent search work seamlessly, powered by local AI. These features make your device feel smarter and more helpful, all while respecting your privacy. The magic is in the background, fast, private, and always available. That's the promise of on-device AI. The rise of on-device AI has made hardware matter again. Now, the chip inside your phone isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. The Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, is the heart of this revolution, running complex AI models quickly and efficiently. Companies are racing to build better NPUs, making hardware a key selling point once more. It's not just about faster apps, it's about smarter features and longer battery life. Apple's A-series chips, for example, tightly integrate hardware and AI software for maximum performance. The new metric is TOPS, trillions of operations per second. The higher, the smarter your device. This hardware renaissance means your next phone won't just be faster, it'll be fundamentally more capable. The intelligence of your device now starts with the silicon inside. On-device AI is a huge leap for privacy, but it's not a perfect fortress. Some tasks still require the cloud, like sending messages or streaming music. Companies use techniques like federated learning, where your device trains models locally and only shares anonymized updates, not raw data. But users still need to be vigilant about app permissions and privacy policies. On-device AI makes privacy the default, but digital literacy is still essential. Not all data stays local, and some features will always need the internet. The key is intentional design. Data stays on your device unless absolutely necessary. It's a smarter, more respectful system, but not absolute isolation. The goal is thoughtful, user-controlled privacy. The future isn't on-device versus cloud, it's a smart blend of both. Everyday tasks, transcriptions, summaries, photo sorting, run locally for speed and privacy. For massive jobs like complex video edits or real-time global data, your device securely taps the cloud. The system decides what's best handled locally and when to call for backup. This hybrid model gives you instant, private intelligence for most tasks, and cloud power for the rest. The device is now in charge, reaching out only when needed. Your privacy and experience come first. Next-gen assistants will be context-aware, seamlessly balancing local and cloud processing. It's the best of both worlds, powerful, private, and always available. That's the future of AI, smart, efficient, and user-centric. On-device AI is transforming digital assistants from novelties into indispensable sidekicks. Faster responses make interactions natural and effortless, encouraging deeper integration into your daily life. Enhanced privacy builds trust, letting you use your assistant for sensitive tasks without hesitation. Offline reliability means your assistant is always there, on a plane, in a tunnel, anywhere. It becomes an extension of your capabilities, not just a gadget. These aren't small improvements, they're fundamental changes. The assistant shifts from a corporate service to a personal tool that respects your boundaries. The hybrid future is built on a local foundation, instant, private, and always ready. Your assistant lives with you, on your device, making a real difference. That's the promise of the next generation of digital assistants.